Hello everyone, this is Christy. This is a video collab with Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. Everybody knows Rosa Kelly, right? She makes amazing mini albums and journals. She made some traveler's notebook kits. I want to show you in pictures what you're going to get in the kit. Okay, and then I will put the link of her video where she shares everything that comes in the kit, and also the link for the website where you can get one. Okay, that will be in the description box, and now you will see in the pictures what you will get. That was awesome, right? Now look at my traveler's notebook. I already used all the stuff that she sent me. It was a nice embossed coffee stain envelope. And this is the traveler's notebook that is pre-made, and she put papers with coffee stain and other scrapbooking paper. She sends you laces. She sent me this ribbon in the kit, and also embellishments like rhinestones and this, and die cuts. Okay, the only thing that I added is this die cut, and I use a die for this. That's the only thing. Then the rest is everything from the kit. So now I'm gonna show you how I decorated it. Okay, as you can see, this one is a long one, and I added laces at the bottom. The laces in the kit are exactly like this size, so I just glue it up here and put this beautiful embellishment trim that comes in the kit as well. And then this one was an envelope, and I just glue it on the middle of the traveler's notebook to make it like a belt and more sturdy. Okay, and then it had a decoration inside, but I put this one because I like shabby colors. This was one that I cut, and I like this color, so I put it on top, and I added flowers and the title. And here are the embellishments that came, and this die cut was at the front, so I just peel it and put it at the back, and it says every day holds new magic. And I love the colors and how she prepares everything. Okay, now let's see, okay, how mine is done. Okay, when you open, look, she sent one of these laces in this color that matches the colors of the papers, and I made a tag because she sends you some scraps of paper, and I cut this tag. And then this is one piece of fabric that was this way, that was like about this size, and I just cut strings and I made like bows to embellish the tag. Okay, so this is one of the tags that I made. Okay, so this traveler's notebook was simple. It just need to finish the decoration. Then right here, this is one of the paper doilies that she sends, and I glue it up here. And this is one of the small envelopes that comes with little die cuts, and I use it in the kit. This is one of the paper of the dictionary, and I highlighted the word accomplishment. And then this was an embellishment that she put in the envelope, and I just put it on this side. And I made a tag with the scraps of paper, and I put the bow, see, and right here I can put a small picture or a picture here and write something on top right here, okay, like a title. So you can play, and she shows how she made her traveler's notebook with lots of information and pictures. It's so beautiful, so you can make many things with this. Then this was done by her, and this side is my design. She sent me these pieces of fabric, And as you can see, I made pockets. Okay, these two pieces were already cut, and I made the pockets, and I made these tags with the scraps of paper that she sent. See? And I put one of the rhinestones that was in the kit. And for this one, I just used this fabric tack glue, and I just added on the sides, and I glue this one. This is another bow that I glue all the way to here in both pockets. And once it dried, it doesn't glue on the back of the paper. See? So that's two pockets that I added. Then these are scraps, and this is a die cut. Then these are the beautiful papers with lines, coffee stain. See, this is papers that she added in the pre-made traveler's notebook. This is another envelope that I added a tag with a bow on the side, and I decorated with the die cuts that it was in the kit. See? And then I added some laces also in some of the pages, as you can see, not in all of them, but only in the ones that had this paper. And then right here, it had some sayings. The paper is so beautiful. Then right here in this one, I just added a paper doily and one of the die cuts with the rhinestone. Then at the back, same thing, but I added a piece of the dictionary paper, and I highlighted the word active because I'm very active. So, and then one more page, I cut right here a banner on the music paper, and I put this die cut that said happy birthday, so maybe I can write some names and birthdays so I can remember. And it goes along with it because the music and happy birthday is happy birthday to you, right? So cute. So right here with two pieces of fabric, I made a pocket so it can be like more thicker. First I cut the size that I needed, and then I glue on the sides back to back, okay, right here. And then I glue this one, okay, right here at the back, and I added a button. And this is a big pocket so I can save some more stuff. And for this, I used the fabric tack glue as well. So this is the only glue that I use for all these. And because I knew that this was going to be more thicker when I added pictures and I added more papers and stuff like that, so I decided to put the ribbon right here instead of in the tags. So I added this envelope, and I cut right here on the side, and I glue the ribbon inside the envelope with the same glue. Okay, I glue the ribbon, and then I glue the edge, and it's very sturdy, and the ribbon is safe there. See? So mine has this closing, and with this ribbon on the side, it looks so shabby with the laces, and I think the decoration and the paper that is so beautiful, and I really, really love it. Thank you very much, Rosa Kelly. I love it. So now, if you want to get one of these kits, go to her site and get one because she only has a few kits. Okay? Thank you very much to all of you for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.